viewers all over the world. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, call me Ogbuefi Ezeana ugochitubelu no Oraifite, or I call me Akajugo. I'm an ancient high priest. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na ugochitubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa deep consultation, gbaa afa mmiri emi n'ụkwazị ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazị m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. Today we are concluding the topic we are treating last 2 days. Today making it 3 days. Cause of poverty part 3. This is the final stage. And I'm here to tell you that for you to escape from poverty, there is some principles you must apply. You must apply the principle of prudent management. Very important. You don't spend based on resources, but you spend based on available materials. So what it means is that you don't spend because others they spend or their desire, but spend based on what is available for you to spend. 2, build a brand of honesty so that people will trust you. Build a brand. You must be known with one thing, that this particular thing go and look for so person. Once you are good in what you do, you must be good in what you do. When people trust you that they are good in what you do, people will be interested in investing in you. So whatever is your talent, whatever is your gift, make it open and keep improving till that point where people will say, no, let me invest in this person or in this person's talent, that it will be a good business, profitable business. So people will like to invest in you or give you a helping hand when they see that you have already made good effort for yourself, that if they invest in you, that they will never lose. So people will start giving you things because they know that investing in you worth it. All this is what we look into. Before we dive into today's lecture, don't forget that we are seeing the mystical month. Our monthly ritual is still ongoing. You can join us anywhere you are, all over the world. Distance is never a barrier in all we do in the temple. Yes, if you want to join us in this group rituals, we started it over 4 years. We have massive testimonies, but we don't show it on social media. So if you are interested, look on your screen, you will see my number. My WhatsApp number remains 0805 7837 672. I repeat, 0805 7837 672. Now let's proceed. So if you want to join us in monthly rituals, chat me on WhatsApp. I will guide you and tell you what to do. Now let's proceed. What I'm saying in essence is, if you really want to turn around things around you, you must be professional in what you do. It's only professionals that are succeeds. If you have gift, try to develop that your gift to appreciating level, so that people will thought it wise to invest. But if you are not bringing anything to the table, what it simply means that you must be able to bring something tangible to the table. And if people sees you that you provide something tangible to the table, believe in me, people will like to invest in your talent. Rich men don't invest in whatever that they are not sure of. If you're a proposal writer, if you write a good proposal and take it to some prominent people, government parastatals, and the rich people, investors, I can tell you, some people will see, just write their proposal very well to the extent that the investor will see how much you need to invest and how he will be able to recoup his money. Once the person is sure of that, the person will invest in you. Let me tell you, there is this particular, I will tell you 2 stories before I round up. There is this particular guy that used to be my customer when I was in Abuja. That time I import American used laptop from US. I started from buying from eBay. From there, I now got contact of genuine companies, refurbished companies, and I began to get those laptops directly from the company. It's far, far cheaper. You understand? Because anybody buying from eBay, we put profit. And of course, the eBay have their own commission. So, and when, because of the boy, the sincerity, the determination I saw in him, and he has been my dedicated customer. So when I was coming to the East to answer my call, knowing fully well that I will no longer be into business full time, I called some of my dedicated customers, tell them that I want to give out some contacts, my contacts, to the extent that you can be in Abuja and they be importing laptops from US and even some goods from China. It had been there. So, and because of the love I have for him, and knowing fully well that if I invest in this guy, that he worked very hard, that it will not be a waste, I gave him the contact. He gave me small money, which is okay by me, as we agreed. Believe in me, to cut the whole story short, few months, 1 year later, the mother from the village called me to thank me for giving his child an opportunity to succeed massively. Today, that guy is doing very well in that particular online importation from China. We are into computer and computer peripherals. So that's one thing. So I invested in him because I saw the effort in him. I saw that he had already decided to succeed. So the cause of poverty is when you are not willing. When people are not seeing you as a determined person, when people are seeing you as somebody that is not succeeding, they will not invest in you. Another opportunity is one of my followers that I have spent huge amount of money, yes, on her, on social media. Believe in me, I have not seen her. But what attracted me to her is her talent, exceptional talent. I saw that what she has is what we needed in this particular era most. So when I knew about the help he needed most, so I was of the opinion that in a sense society, that this kind of person with this type of talent should not be allowed to be languishing in pain or whatever. So because what attracted me to her is the talent. So I saw what she have done, I saw what she have invested, I saw what she can bring to the table to take Igbo spirituality from point A to point B. That is the only thing that attracted to me. So I would like, if we can save this particular person and talent, that it will be a huge plus to Igbo spirituality and evangelization. So because of that, I invested massively to ensure that we did not lose her in any way. So, but some people that doesn't understand how things work might be thinking that maybe I have been coerced, or I'm influenced, or I've been manipulated. No, you can't even manipulate who no root. You can't coerce who no root. You can't witchcraft who no root. But if you are not bringing anything to the table, nobody will like to partner with you. So I decided to partner with her, knowing fully well that partnering with her will bring goodies back to Igbo spirituality and to mankind in general. So that's why I invested, because I thought it was that investing in human capital and talent and gift is never a waste. Had it been she was like, she doesn't have those gifts, have not developed that gift to that level I met her, I won't have invested in her. It's not my investment to her is not all about beauty, because if you go to social media, you will see people that are more beautiful than her. Plenty of them. It's not all about beautiful. It's not all about being a woman. It's about what I perceive as her greatest gift to mankind. I have the opinion that whoever that made appreciative effort to strive should be supported. But I know there is some other people that are even more talented than her, but that's they are sleeping and slumbering. Many a times I have come to social media and asked people, if you know you are talented, you are a talented movie, a talented actor or actress, or you are a talented singer, gospel singer. That's what I'm interested in now, because we want to win more souls. Now, or if you are a talented in all you do, maybe a comedian, or you are too skillful in special gift, then I will support you. It will interest you to know that we are supported a lot of people. Today, as we speak, we have Ugochitubelu movie productions, where we harness the people with great gift. Then those people with great gift, we harness them and then give them opportunity to excel in their calling through gift. That's what we do in Ugochitubelu temple. That is one. Secondly, we give them opportunity for them to be able to excel in everything they do. So that's why I formed that Ugochitubelu movie productions. And if you are watching my program, you will agree with me that we have Ugochitubelu music. If you are following Ezeoku TV, you will be hearing our music playing there. Believe in me, there are some people, some of them I met them on social media, some of them approached me that they have talent. I took them to studio. And they will still make some of them great, because we are building more platforms, we are building apps, we are building websites. We are in order to reach out to so many people, and we are ready to project those people. So if we have special talent, yes, if we have a special talent, you are a promoter, you are advertiser with special skill, or you have great thing you are doing, yes, that can be of great benefit to evangelization. This is the area, my area of interest. Chat me, come with your proposal, tell us the what you can do, what you are bringing to the table in terms of where you are good. Then if we see that you have already made an effort, yes, in as much as we are looking for raw talents, we are looking for people with raw talent that are really determined, that have started making an effort to make a difference. We are not looking for people that have talent, but instead of them to begin to make effort, they begin to slumber. Yes, we are not talking about those ones, because those ones will never be of great benefit to us at all. So if you consider yourself that you have gift, we have supported many in the past, and I know we are still supporting. I remember when I gave out some support to my followers on social media. That time we choose a plumber and a tiler. Before God, we supported them with their tools. It's on record. People that are following me know that we did it sometime. There was a time we gave money for a tiler, because that time we needed to support handwork people. We are not talking about handwork people they are dreaming to have handwork, but they have not made any effort. So they made effort by they have finished learning the work. What is stopping them from starting their own is the tools. For the tiler, you need the cutter. Those they are cutting machine they use to cut ties. So by the grace of God, we provided all those materials for those two guys, because they made an effort. So for you to escape from poverty, you must have different orientation. Stop believing that why you have not been successful because you have not gotten millions of naira. It's not true. What it takes to be successful is you must build a brand, be honest person, so that whoever that you are doing business with will trust you as an upright person, very honest and sincere person. That is the first capital you build. It's called invisible capital. That invisible capital is your sincerity and honesty. If people can trust you that they can actually do business with you without being just changed, I believe people will support you. So that is the thing you know, and that is one of the things that will make you to escape from poverty. So if you really want to avoid the cause of poverty. You change mentality, change your circle of friends. Avoid those people that believes that you can never be successful without determination. Remove yourself from those people that believe they will call to an ego. And what do you hear that thing? Yes, people are building contacts. Why people join social organizations or other groups is to build contacts. And even if as much as you build that contact, you have contact, but you are not sincere, that contact will never be of great benefit to you. Let me give you this question, this thing before I go. There is a friend of mine. We are in the same club. This particular guy is into rice. There is selling of rice in bags. So there was a time he approached me that he needed some money, and he told me the time frame when you return that particular money. I gave him that particular hundreds of thousands. Then he to promise me. Do you know that after doing that, the time he gave me a lapse. He didn't even bother to come and tell me, sir, please have more patience with me, see what happened. I will not be able to meet up with that date and plead for extension. He never did. After some time, I began to get worried that he did not keep what we agreed on. I began to complain. At later, to cut the whole story short, they balanced me. But because of this sincerity had been dent, had he been returned that money as we agreed, believe in me, by now I would have been giving him huge amount of money that will help him to do his season of eating. The same way he betrayed me, in the same way he betrayed a lot of people, even some club members. Before you know, as we speak now, he have lost everything in Nnewi and everything. And maybe we are hearing that he's in Lagos or whatever. But if he go to that Lagos and say not change, he will still go empty-handed and remain broke. So build a brand so that people can trust you in all you do. Let me stop here. If you have questions in today's lecture or you want us to do deep consultation for you, chat me on WhatsApp 0805 7837 I repeat, 0805 7837 Let us pray. Ekwem na Chineke. Ekwem na ọ dị ihe siri m ike ke Chineke na-apụghị izi m ụzọ m ga-esi lụwuo ya n'ihi na ọ mazuru ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke emeworo m ya, ya gazie. May the blessings of Chukwuoke Pụrụ Ime Ihe be with you all. May you be protected. May you be blessed. May work of your hands begin to yield fruit. Go, shine, and dominate. Thank you.